All right, today we're going to do a video of our 2008 Mori-Seiki NH4000 DCG. Its serial number NH401HH2427. It has an MSX 701 Roman numeral 3 control. It's a 30 horsepower high power spindle, 14,000 RPM. The machine has through spindle coolant, 1,000 PSI, a chip blaster, and a 60 station ATC. It is a 1-degree indexing machine. It's also a Cat 40 spindle. If you can come over and see over here, the spindle's currently running right now at 4,500 RPM. The machine is extremely quiet. That's 9,000 RPM on the main spindle. Again, it's very, very quiet. Again, max RPM, 14,000 RPM. Stop. Gonna open our door. Pull a tool. And then now we're gonna jog the axes. There's your x-axis. Y. Your Z. You also have if you look in here, the rotary table. That's your index of your rotary table. G. I'll do one more index. I'll tell it to go to 0. Okay, and then we're going to do an automatic tool change. Do one more. And then if you want to look in the pallet station, we'll do a pallet change of the machine. Do one more. This machine has 400 millimeter pallets. It only comes with 2 pallets. And this is just, again, the control. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video.